Nolan? Nolan, hey, I'm here to save you.
What? Oh, no, I'm having a great time. Actually, I have a friend to help you with your trash thinking project.
I love to eat trash and turn it into nutrients.
Professor Furst is gonna love this.
Yeah.
Professor Furst! Hey! Hey, Professor Furst! Hello?
Yeah, I already tried that. It's not gonna work.
We're Professor Furst grad students. Professor Furst is out exploring the land of the microbes today, so we're here to answer your questions.
Daniel asks, what makes the microbes so important in our body? And why do we need so many of them?
This is such a great question, Daniel. Thank you for this. Well, microbes keep us alive. Our body needs to be able to do many different things, like break down the food that we eat. But our cells have some functions that they can't do, and so we need microbes that can do other functions. And we need so many different types because it's kind of like a sports team. Like everyone has a different position and a different thing they bring to the team. And like if you have everyone together, then like you can win.
Anthony is interested in knowing, do microbes sleep?
This is a really great question, Anthony. So say if you went without a meal for an afternoon. For bacteria, that's like going without food for 200 years. So bacteria do sleep, and the reason they sleep is to survive those long periods of famine. Microbes sleeping is very much like hibernating, so some mammals will kind of turn their metabolism down so that they can survive without food for a long period of time. Microbes do the same exact thing, so there is sleep, but it looks a lot different from like it does for humans.
William wants to know, what bacteria are you researching right now? What is its purpose?
Thank you for this question, William. The main one that I'm researching is called BCG, and that stands for Bacillus calmette-guerin. And what I'm researching right now is using it to treat bladder cancer. And so that treatment has been around for a long time and it's very effective, but it's not great for the patients who are receiving that treatment. It's like uncomfortable and has side effects. So I'm trying to basically improve the formulation and the method of treatment.
Elijah wants to know, microorganisms are capable of breaking down various pollutants. By using them, we can clean up polluted environments. If microbes are capable of this, why haven't we used them to help clean Earth?
Elijah, that is a really good question. I think this often too. Microbes on their own kind of have their own functions and they don't necessarily know that they need to be cleaning. They're just trying to stay alive. Maybe a microbe could be able to degrade plastics, for example, but it's not near a plastic that it can degrade. So we have to engineer them and then deploy them in certain environments. Hopefully one day we can use them to clean the earth, and I think we are starting to, but it's going to take a lot of time and work to get there. Great job! We can't wait to see your projects.